Hi guys, I'm back at it again. I wanted to show you how I am going to do a Beauty and the Beast cup, and I'm going to take the glitter all the way down this time, and I have some gold glitter here for that. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is set up my little area. I have a paper towel on the bottom, and then I have some wax paper. I went ahead and fold it in half so that way when I do the glitter, it goes into the crease and it's easier to put back into the glitter bag. Well, it is a box, but the bottle. I also have Mod Podge that I have here. I just kind of stick my brush inside there. I try to get a bigger brush, that way it covers a lot more. And of course I have my cup, and I want to make sure that there's no sticky pieces to it and that it's completely clean. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to go, I was going to tape this off, but I think I'm going to go all the way up. I do like to have the line all the way up and all the way down and around. So let's get started. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes and I've pretty much let the gold dry. I absolutely love the gold. I'm only going to probably need one more layer of that. But I did want to show you real quick. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one that I ordered from a local lady. Actually, she lives about an hour away from me. And she did mine and I just absolutely love it. It is so pretty. I love the pink. I love the unicorn decal on it. It is just so cute. So if you guys are wanting to purchase a cup, I have her information. Just email me and I will give you all of her information so you could buy one from her. She does a really good job. I love the lines. Actually, there are no lines. And I just love the way she did my cup. It's beautiful, it's smooth, and she did a great job. Okay, let's get started. So what you want to do is take a clean brush and you're going to dust it off, the extra glitter. Because when you go back and do the Mod Podge, you do not want any of the glitter in the brush at all. I think it's all dry, so I'm going to take it off the can. And do it that way, it's just easier. quick and show you what I did. I have 2 other cups in the past, and they have just been dripping everywhere when I put the epoxy on. So I looked it up on YouTube, and this is what one of the ladies suggested, that you take one of your boxes and you cut a hole in it. You put a stick inside, which I had for our sliding glass door, and then I just stuck some paper towels in there, and I took the epoxy and I put it on there, and then I just rubbed it with my finger, of course with a glove, and then now I can take and twist it and turn it whenever the epoxy is up too much on one side or the other. So that is what I am doing. And it's working. It looks really good. It looks really even. I'm super excited about that. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I just wanted to come on here and show that to you. Okay, I got my decal today in the mail, and I ordered, I believe this is a 2-inch, which looks really small, but once you put it on the cup, it's not going to be as small. And she gave me a free Mickey Mouse ears, which I thought was super cute because it matches my cup. I don't think she realized that. But this is who I ordered it from. It's from her Etsy shop, MC Studio Design. So if you guys need any decals, I would recommend her. She did really good, and it was quick and easy and cheaper than what a lot of them are. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take some sandpaper and sandpaper down your first epoxy, so that way you have a little bit of a rough edge on it, and then you're going to lay out your decal and then stick it on. I bought this epoxy kit at Hobby Lobby. I believe you could buy it on Amazon as well. I will link it down below. It's super easy, super simple. Let me take it out and show you how to use it. A set of 2. Make sure you guys use gloves when you use this because it's super sticky and it will get everywhere. Make sure you put a paper towel down so it doesn't leak all over your countertops or whatever you're using. But you have part A, which is like a thick liquid, and then you have a part B, which is more like a darker, thinner liquid, and then you take equal parts of each, put them in a bowl, and stir it really, really, really good, and then you're going to start the epoxy process. Okay guys, once you have let it dry for about 24 hours, you can go ahead and wash it and use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.